Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cocktail. Start by exploring different flavor profiles to guide your creation. Think about what you enjoy: sweet, sour, or perhaps something more bitter. Next, choose a base spirit that you like, such as a smooth vodka or a robust whiskey. This forms the backbone of your drink. Then, consider your modifiers and how they will complement your chosen spirit. It's all about balance. Once you have your base spirit, it's time to select your supporting cast of ingredients. Think about classic pairings, like how well citrus works with gin or the delightful combination of berries and rum. Fresh juices are essential for a bright, lively cocktail, so always opt for freshly squeezed. Don't forget to explore various bitters and liqueurs. They can introduce incredible depth and unique notes to your drink, elevating it from good to great. Now for the fun part, mixing. Decide whether your cocktail needs to be shaken for a frothy texture and quick chill, or stirred for a smooth, clear finish. The type of ice you use matters. Large, dense cubes melt slower, preventing your drink from becoming watery too quickly. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a good garnish. A simple citrus twist or a few fresh herbs can dramatically improve both the visual appeal and the aromatic experience of your cocktail. After mixing, the most crucial step is to taste your cocktail. Don't be afraid to make small adjustments. A little more sweetness, a dash of sour, or an extra drop of bitters can make all the difference. Once you've perfected your recipe, make sure to write it down so you can recreate your masterpiece anytime. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to streamline your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, custom-made cocktail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.